Number 5, Tapalya. Sabrep. Tapalya out. Mamawag in. Tapalya second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Score natin, 20-11. 11-point lead by Troopers.
Bonus shot given to number 6, Punelas. Bonus shot by Punelas. Basket. Official score 23-11 in favor of Troopers. 15 seconds to shoot. Same ball, 11 seconds to shoot. Foul committed by number 3, Santiago. Santiago, first personal foul. Both teams warning for penalty. 10 seconds to shoot. Basket by Jesus.
Score natin, 23-13. 10-point lead by Troopers.
No good. Rebound by Bautista. Intercept by De Leon. No good. Follow up. Good luck. Sable. Timeout. Troopers. Time remaining 2 minutes and 14 seconds left. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 2 minutes and 14 seconds left. No good. Intercept by Del Rosario. No good. Rebound by Punelas. No good. Rebound by Bautista. Intercept by Dinglasan. Troopers ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Santiago to Punelas. Intercept by Dinglasan. Intercept by Santiago. "15 seconds to shoot." Intercept by Jesus. 1 minute exactly. Time remaining. Basket by Jesus. Inbound by De Los Reyes to Punelas. 15 seconds to shoot. De Los Reyes. No good. Follow up. Basket by De Leon. Inbound by Mamawag. 35 seconds left. 15 seconds to shoot. 18 seconds left. Basket by Santiago. 15 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Basket by Bautista. 7 seconds left.